Now, there are plenty of places here at Parker River to visit, but one of your first places that I hope you decide to come to is here, the Hellcat Interpretive Trail, and it's located at the Hellcat Wildlife Observation Area. There are plenty of things to see once you head down both trails, the Dune Loop and the Marsh Loop. Of course, you're going to see birds, plants, and trees, but you also get to experience things many other individuals might not get the chance to. Yeah. Walk it regularly, you ain't got to slow down. Whoa, 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 where are you going? Wait, no, you can't go yet. You have to be prepared before you go out here on the trail. Now, before you leave, make sure that you have a Hellcat Interpretive Trail brochure. It gives you information about the different maritime shrubs and plants that you might see out here. Also, gotta have your bug spray. There are ticks and usually greenheads that surround this area, and you have to be prepared for almost anything. So grab your bug spray, get your brochure, and grab your best binoculars, and let's head down the first trail, the Dune Loop. Which one of you have my hat? I need it! Oh, hey folks. I'm sorry about that. Trying to locate my hat, it seems a bird took it. But that's fine. You want to know why? Because birds were the reason that Parker River was established in the first place. You see, Parker River was established mainly for birds, to give them not only a safe place to nest if they needed to, but also a place to rest during their migratory flight. It's just like that. Oh. Thank you! Got my hat.